Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a box of markers. Now, with school getting back into the swing of things and everyone using lots of art supplies, I know my students are using tons of markers right now. I thought a box of markers would be a really good thing and really appropriate for this time of the year. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the sides. Now, we want to make like a nice kind of square shape for our box of markers. Now, this can definitely be hard and it doesn't always look perfect. So if you want to trace something using a ruler, you can definitely do that, or you can just try to draw it yourself. Now, I'm going to draw it myself, and I'm going to tell you right now, it's not going to look perfect, and that is totally okay. So to start off with this, I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a line that goes down. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to make another line that goes down. Make this go a little bit farther. And then I'm going to connect it. I actually like to kind of turn my paper to the side just to kind of help make my line a little bit straighter. Now, right across the top, I want to draw another straight line. So I'm just going to draw my line straight across here. So I have a nice little box for my markers. Now, right along here, I'm going to just draw a straight line right in the middle. And I'm going to add a big smiley face shape onto here. And this is just kind of like that little opening that you see when you see all the different colors of markers in there. Now, inside of here, I'm going to draw some of the markers. So to do this, you just want to draw some straight lines going down. And you want to try your best to keep them about the same size. And it's going to kind of look like a smiley mouth with some teeth. Now, over here on the side, I'm going to draw a diagonal line on each side. And I'm going to add one more right along there. Now, I want to make it look like one of my markers is kind of popping out of the box. So I'm going to start right over here at this one. And I'm just going to kind of go with this line, and I'm going to draw a line that goes over. And it's going to come right back down to there. Then I'm just going to add a little curved line right across there for the cap. And I also want another one popping out over here. So I'm just going to draw this one up a little bit, go over and then down. And this one, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to kind of come to a point, and then it's going to curve down, and I'm going to add a little curved line right there. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a little line at a diagonal, and then one at a diagonal right here. Then I'm going to turn my paper again, and I'm just going to draw a little line right across here. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up on each side. And once again, I'm just going to turn my paper a little bit, and I'm going to connect these. So this is your basic box of markers right here, but I want to add a little bit more to it. So I'm just going to put a little face onto here. So right down here, I'm going to add a circle, and then I'm going to put another circle right over here. I'm going to add a black dot for a pupil right here, and another one over here. Then I'm going to add a little curved line for a mouth, little line that goes down and up, and a little line in there for a tongue, and then I'll just color this in. So that way we just add a little bit more to it. And then I'll add some eyebrows right above it. Then up here, I'm going to put a little face on this one. I'm just going to add two little black dots.
with a little smiley face here.
And there you go. There is your drawing of a little box of markers. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.